now here at the ocean, and we got this bus to be.
I wanted to share like what makes it so confusing is the fact that there's three ways to pay for the bus. So there's the app. So you call it 24 app. You pay online, and then there's you get a QR code on the app, and then there's two other ways. So the first way is the old one where there's a ticket, and then you
see the machine,
shoot it inside. You validate it there, and then there's the one where you tap the card. So and it's all, most of it is honesty policy. So what happens is if you have the QR code, it will be automatically active. Nobody checks on it until someone is checking if you have a ticket. So it's that's why I think it was so confusing for us, because we're more used to paying when you enter, but once you have it in the app, if no one checks you, it kind of seems like
I guess that's
you
how
don't have
it
a
goes
ticket.
here in Romania.
And people, you can see like a lot of people just coming in without validating it. It means they have the app.
And we've noticed it's depends on the age. I've noticed young ones don't usually validate their card anymore.
They have the app as well.
But we've noticed the older ones, they
yeah.
have the small ticket where they probably purchase it on the machine, and then they do validate it still on that machine. Maybe that's why they can still remove that old machine system.
But there's three ways. So the 24 app is, I recommend that one because it's easier. And then once you purchase it, it's active for 24 hours. Depending on the ticket that you pick. So it'll be valid for 1 hour. You don't need to validate it.
Link where you can get the one online as well.
Yeah.
And what online app
24 app
is using. Yeah.
And then you don't need to, raise your hand to ask the bus to stop. It'll just stop at every stop.
Yeah, we've noticed.
We noticed that one.
And what's confusing, they also have a stop button inside,
but
so
nobody uses it.
No one's using it.
Yeah.
So I guess it's the bus is stopping at every.
So
That's
that's
it.
Thank you.
Bye bye.